Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. We have over 350 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock, ready for immediate delivery. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you can be assured you see all of our new arrivals, just like this one here today, as soon as they hit the lot. Also, for all the still pictures of this and a full description, please visit our website at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. That's sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we're showing you a brand new arrival, 2020 four-door Jeep Wrangler Sahara Edition, Bikini hardtop or Bimini color on this particular Jeep. We sent this out to Rocky Ridge, had a K2 package on it, which gives us some awesome cool features on it. Guys, we ship nationwide, so no matter what Rocky Ridge vehicle you're looking at, we ship it directly to your house in a matter of days. And with being one of the largest Rocky Ridge dealers in the country, you can be assured you're getting the guaranteed best price on any new Rocky Ridge out there. First thing you're going to notice on this K2 package, this Rocky Ridge, is the upgraded front bumper here. That's a solid steel front bumper. Factory fog lights built into that also, as you can see on the side, and a really nice large LED light located right there in the center. Also with the LED lighting, you do have the factory upgraded LED front headlights, which is an extremely nice feature. Upgraded, blacked out, Rocky Ridge 20-inch rim wrapped in a really nice Mickey Thompson Baja bus. That's a 35-inch tire. Plenty of tread on there, but there again, very quiet tire considering the amount of tread that's on this tire. Upgraded front step-up bar or side step-up bars on this vehicle. Factory painted hardtop. This is a three-piece hardtop and it's painted throughout to match the exterior color. Just like the front on the rear, upgraded rear bumper as you can see there, with nice accents there on the side. Fifth tire to match the other four, and it also does have a factory backup camera located right there in the center. Flowmaster exhaust tip, completely blacked out, nice feature to have. And like I said, guys, if you're looking for a Rocky Ridge truck or Jeep in general, we are the dealer to buy it from. We do carry the largest selection of Rocky Ridge Jeeps in the country, and we ship nationwide. So no matter where you're located in the country, we can put this vehicle in your driveway very, very easily. Side power mirrors, also power locks. Upgraded Jeep floor mats. These are rubber floor mats, easy to clean. Leather seating throughout, with the Rocky Ridge emblem on the hood, on the headrest right there, and also the Sahara badging right underneath that. Factory LED, automatic LED headlights right there. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you have all your controls right here, or for your instrument cluster located here in the center, in between your RPM gauge right there on the left, and your miles per hour on the right. Inside this cluster, you can see your speedometer. You can see all your vehicle information located in there, your off-road capability, your fuel economy, your trip information, also your radio station. It'll notify you what radio station you're on. So there's a bunch of stuff you can do built into this head unit right here. Also located right here, you do have your hands-free capability, so you can simply program your phone directly into this vehicle. Simply hit the phone button, carry on the conversation directly through your speaker system. No need to reach for your phone while driving down the road anymore. On the right hand side, you do have your cruise control settings. Then on the back, the right hand side of the steering wheel, you have the option of increasing and decreasing your volume of your radio. On the back of the left, you can also change your radio station. Very large, nice touchscreen radio, AM, FM, Sirius XM radio with a free subscription when buying this vehicle brand new. It also has media output, so you can download media directly into this. Dual climate controls on this vehicle, so you can set the passenger and the driver on two separate temperatures if you'd like, or they can also be synced. And by hitting the sync button right here, the passenger side temperature automatically defaults to the driver's side. There's also an auto feature, and by hitting that auto feature, you can assure that the interior of the cab will stay at 74 degrees by increasing, decreasing the speed and the temperature blowing out of the vents. Heated seats on this for the front two passengers. There's a high, medium, and a low setting, and there's also a heated steering wheel. And like I said, it does have a factory backup camera located directly in that radio. Your volume button's over here on the left for your radio. Then on the right, you can also change your radio station right here also. Then you have a second option when it comes to your climate controls right here in the center. You can adjust your climate controls with all these buttons here in the center, and you can also turn on your heated steering wheel and your heated seats located right here also by the push of a button. 12-volt DC plug located here. All your power windows are located here in the center. Plenty of media outlets right here, and you do have your auxiliary switches located right here. These auxiliary switches are very nice, just like that front LED light guard on the front bumper. It's set to auxiliary 1, so by hitting auxiliary 1 you turn on that front LED light. You can also add more accessories if you'd like with the other 3 auxiliary switches. Automatic transmission, cup holders in the center, a nice leather wrapped armrest right here with 2 storage compartments, one small one on the top and then one large one right underneath that. Universal garage door openers located right here. You can program up to 3 garage door openers directly into this vehicle. Also, this is a 3-piece hardtop. So with it being a 3-piece hardtop, this driver's section right here is 1 piece. The passenger front section is the 2nd piece. And then the whole rear of the vehicle is your 3rd piece. These front 2 pieces can be taken out separately. They're very lightweight. They weigh about 20 pounds a piece. You can take them directly out, and just the front can be wide open, and you can leave the rear on if you'd like, or you have the option of taking the rear off also. Just like the front, leather seating in the rear. Also, you're going to have your slush mats, your rubber slush mats, just like in the front. Easy to clean. Power windows are also located in the rear. USB plugs, and then your AC 12-volt plug also down here also. You also have tether hooks located on the sides of these seats, so you can safely and securely strap in a car seat if you needed. Also center cup holders with a center armrest. And then moving on to the rear of the vehicle, this does have the upgraded Alpine stereo system, which one of the big features with that is you're going to get this very large, nice Alpine sub located in the rear here. Second set of rubber floor mats if you needed, and also comes this inside this little bag right here is your carrying case for your 2 front pieces of your hardtop. You can put your tops, your 2 front pieces inside this carrying case, prevents them from getting scratched, nicked, or damaged by any means. And it also lays flat. That case does back here when you have your hardtop inside that bag. Another thing I did not mention while I was in the back, this does have the trailer tow package. So you do have your hookup, your trailer tow hitch right there with your 4-pin and 7-pin wiring hookup located right there on the side. Extremely nice vehicle, extremely hard to find. We are the largest Rocky Ridge Jeep dealer in the country. We stock over 30 of these vehicles in stock at all times. This is a 3.5-inch lift on this Rocky Ridge, upgraded tires and wheels, upgraded front and rear bumper, LED lighting on the front, leather seating throughout, touchscreen radio, painted hardtop. This has it all. And guys, we ship nationwide. Keep that in mind, so no need to come to the dealership. We'll put this vehicle directly in your driveway very, very easily. If you're on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button so you can be assured to see all of our new arrivals just like this one here today as soon as they hit the lot. Also, if you want to see a full description of this along with all the still pictures, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. And don't forget, for the guaranteed best price on any Rocky Ridge Jeep, make sure you always shop Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram.